Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Netflix account on a browser or app. This lets you manage devices. Once signed in, make sure you are using the account owner credentials or have permission to change settings. You should check billing email to confirm ownership if needed. Now navigate to your profile icon at the top right, because that's where account settings live. Go directly to account settings and prepare to view recent device activity and sign out options so you can remove other devices. Once in account settings, inspect recent device streaming activity to identify where your account is active and why. If you spot unknown devices, choose Sign Out of All Devices to forcibly remove every signed-in session. This is the fastest method to regain control. Make sure to confirm the action. It can take up to 8 hours to fully sign devices out. After signing out, change your password and enable two-step verification if available, because that prevents immediate re-entry by unauthorized users. You finish by signing back into the devices you trust and updating profile locks or PINs to prevent casual access. If any device still appears logged in after the sign-out period, revoke app access where possible and reset the password again to invalidate tokens. Make sure to check linked devices like smart TVs or streaming sticks directly, because some store credentials locally. If unauthorized access persists after 24 hours or you notice billing issues, contact Netflix support for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.